Like number 31, 32 is also about ratios and units. It's kind of the same question, just different story. So the most important thing here, though, is make sure that you follow instructions, because they're going to do a kind of tricky thing here. So let's take a look. The painting The Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh is rectangular in shape with height of 29 inches and width of 36.25 inches. If a reproduction was made where each dimension is 1/3 the corresponding original dimension, what is the height of the reproduction in inches? Height. The height. Okay? So we don't care about the width. So this is rare on the SAT. They usually don't give you information that you don't end up using. But here, that's kind of the whole point of the question, is they want to make sure you pick the right number. So we know that the height of the reproduction is 1/3 of the original height. So I'm not even going to set up a whole elaborate proportion. There's a way to do it. I could, but here it's just what's 1/3 of 29. And I could put that in my calculator, but I can also just bubble this as 29/3. This is okay. Okay, so I'll tell you what it is just in case you're curious, but it's 9.66 or 9.67. You could bubble either and you'd be right, but 29/3, I don't know, seems easier than dealing with the decimal. So any of those are correct. Just make sure you follow instructions, give them what they want. The SAT loves to kind of just confuse you with the difference between X and Y, height and width, things like that. So just make sure you underline stuff to remind you to check for the right things, because if you make this mistake a lot, you need a process. You need some sort of habit to prevent these mistakes, and underlining, it's simple, but it's effective. So don't lose points for stupid stuff like this.